While AI has undoubtedly made impressive advancements in automating various tasks, there are certain jobs and skills that still demand human expertise and cannot be entirely replaced by AI. Here are some prime examples. Creative professions. AI has the ability to generate music, art, and writing, but the human touch of creativity, originality, and emotional depth remains unparalleled and immensely valuable. Social work and counseling. Building empathetic relationships, understanding human emotions, and providing personalized support necessitate the irreplaceable element of human interaction. Critical thinking and problem solving. AI may excel at processing vast amounts of data, but human judgment, critical thinking, and the capability to solve complex problems remain absolutely essential. Emotional intelligence and empathy. The comprehension of human emotions, empathizing with others, and the capacity to forge strong relationships are skills that only humans possess. Skilled trades and crafts. Occupations such as electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and artisans require not only hands-on skills, but also the ability to think on their feet and solve problems in a practical manner. Teaching and education. Effective teaching entails not just disseminating information, but also building meaningful relationships, creating custom learning plans, and inspiring students. Areas where AI falls short are healthcare professionals. Doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals rely on human expertise, empathy, and critical thinking to deliver quality care that cannot be replicated by AI. 8. Sales and marketing. Building relationships, understanding customer needs, and crafting persuasive strategies require the human touch, the ability to connect with individuals on a personal level. Leadership and management. The art of strategic decision-making, motivating teams, and building strong organizations demands human leadership skills that cannot be easily replicated by AI. 10. Human connection and community building. Creating vibrant communities, nurturing relationships, and truly understanding human needs necessitate genuine human interaction and empathy. While AI will undoubtedly continue to augment our capabilities, these jobs and skills rely on the irreplaceable qualities and strengths that define us as human beings. Our ability to be creative, empathetic, critical thinkers sets us apart and ensures the continued necessity of our unique contribution in the workforce and in society as a whole.